Hello guys, welcome back. We have another text for you in this video, another story for you. If you are a beginner or elementary or pre-intermediate level English student, these videos are for you to help you to practice your English, to help you to practice your listening, your reading, vocabulary, pronunciation. Okay, so let's get to the story. In a small town there is a big park. Every day people go to the park. They like to walk, run and play there. The park is a good place to relax and enjoy nature. One day a young boy named Tom goes to the park. He sees a beautiful butterfly. He wants to catch it, but it flies away. Tom runs after the butterfly, but he cannot catch it. Tom sees a tall tree. He thinks the butterfly might be in the tree. He climbs the tree, looks around, but he doesn't see the butterfly. Tom feels sad. He wants to find it. He decides to look for it in the big field. He walks to the field and he starts to search. After a while, Tom sees the butterfly. It is sitting on a beautiful flower. Tom walks slowly towards it. He doesn't want to scare it away. Tom reaches out his hand and gently touches the butterfly. It doesn't fly away. Tom feels happy. He smiles and watches the butterfly. Then, after a while, it flies away. Tom watches it fly into the sky. He feels happy that he could see such a beautiful butterfly. Tom goes home and tells his family about it. They listen to his story and smile. They are happy that Tom had a good day at the park. From that day forward, Tom goes to the park every day. He loves to watch the butterflies. He learns a lot about them. He becomes a butterfly expert. Tom shares his knowledge with others. He teaches them about butterflies. Everyone enjoys learning from Tom. They think he's a great teacher. Tom feels proud. He loves butterflies and he loves teaching others about them. He knows that he's doing something good. He's happy and content. And so life in the small town goes on. People continue to go to the park. They enjoy the beautiful nature and they learn about butterflies from Tom. Very good. That's it, guys. That's the story. The link is on the description of the video, so you can download it, you can print it. Okay, with the story there is a list, a table with the verbs, the nouns, the adjectives that were used in the story. So you can translate it to your language, guys. Use Google Translate to help you translate this vocabulary to your language and continue to practice. Okay, remember to watch videos in English, to watch movies, TV series, read texts. Okay, in this text we used a lot of the present simple, so I'm gonna leave a link on the description of the video to a website where you can practice some exercises with the present simple. Okay, the story, guys, was created using artificial intelligence, using Copilot, which is the artificial intelligence from Microsoft. There is a link on the description as well. Have a look. You can play with it. You can ask it to create texts for you. Okay, so please check it on the description of the video. And I'll see you on the next video, guys. I'll see you on another video with more stories, more texts, so you can practice your English. Okay? Thank you for your time. Bye bye.